What's up, booties? I'm coming at you guys from the set of the Coffee with My Ex podcast that Haley and I have. New episodes released every week. We talk for like 45 minutes. It's so much fun. Anyways, I wanted to check in on you guys, see how everyone was doing. The world is crazy right now and it's affecting everyone in different ways. And so I wanted to kind of let you guys know what's happening on our end. I've seen so many videos that you guys have tagged us in. People doing the Fitness Marshall dances when they're stuck inside, people from all around the world who can't leave their homes, who are using the Fitness Marshall to work out, to stay sane, to get rid of their anxiety. And it's made me think a lot about our future here. And I want to be the first to let you guys know that we were planning on announcing a tour, our first tour in like a year and a half. And because of everything that's happening, we've decided to postpone that tour because it's important that everyone stays safe. No one wants to be out right now in large crowds. Like, that's just not a good idea. So as much as we love working out with you guys in person, we have decided to put all of our efforts into the Booty Army memberships on YouTube. We are continuing to do our weekly 60-minute sweat sessions for you guys because we realized that for some of you who especially can't leave your home, it's so important to have something available to you that you can do and have fun and take your mind off things and stay active while you're inside. So we are committing to continue to do the 60-minute sweat sessions. Every single week, you'll get a brand new hour-long workout for everyone who is a Booty Army Elite member. And if you want to be a Booty Army Elite member, you can click the join button below this video. That's how you get access to it. Our 60-minute sweat sessions are a warm-up, 13 dances, and then we do some strength workouts with our body. We do stretching, we do breathing. It's a full, complete workout. So if you are stuck at home, if you're not trying to go to the gym, get out, but you still want a way to get a complete workout in, other than just doing the 3-minute videos that we have on the channel, if you sign up to be a Booty Army Elite member, you actually get access to every 60-minute sweat session we've ever done. We release one a week, and you get access to all the sweat sessions in the future. So during this crazy time in the world, we are committing to still giving you guys content, still giving you guys a way to work out because it's so important that we have a way to relieve our mental stress, relieve our physical stress. If you're not looking for a complete workout, we do have over 175 free videos on the channel. I encourage you to share them with your friends, with your family. They're totally free and they're ways to just find a little bit of joy in the craziness. We have a kid-friendly playlist on the channel, all videos that I think are more appropriate for kids, but obviously every parent's different. But we do want you guys to know that we have a kid-friendly playlist option. So if you look under the playlist section on our YouTube, you can find that. I've seen so many videos of families and kids doing the Fitness Marshall workouts while everyone's inside, and it is so beautiful and so exciting. So thank you for sharing those with me. We just recorded 5 new strength videos that are available for our Booty Army Cadet members and our Booty Army Elite members. You'll get some new strength videos that are all body weight. We did like an ab workout that was so hard, and then like a back workout, shoulder workout that was insane. The burn was so good. Oh, it burns so good. Also, we haven't really announced it, and I'm not like, this isn't the big announcement drop, but obviously I'm wearing new merch. We just launched, we have like a little shelf under this video and all of our videos. So if you want to pick up some new Fitness Marshall merch, feel free to do that. It's below every video on the little merch shelf. We have a bunch of different designs. They're all very inclusive. I was really adamant about not having merch that isn't available in a range of sizes. It's not perfect, it's not exactly where we want to be, but this is our most inclusive size range yet that we've done with the Fitness Marshall, so I'm very excited about this merch. Most importantly, let me know how you guys are doing in the comments below, and I wanna leave you guys with this. If anyone's looking for a perfect workout, if you're like, is the Booty Army, is this the best way to burn the most calories and to have the most successful, perfect, magic workout? I'm gonna let you guys know that no matter what workout you're doing, no workout is inherently really better than the other. What makes a perfect workout, the secret to getting the best possible result when you exercise, is to do something that you want to be doing. Do something that you're looking forward to, something that's making you happy, something that's bringing you joy, and that will make you work harder. That will give you the best workout possible because you're gonna be able to stick to it and do it again. So if it's not the Fitness Marshall videos, please find other videos. Don't give up. There is something out there for you. There is no magic workout. Just find something that you love doing and stick to it. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I hope to see you on tour soon, but until then, I'll be seeing you in the weekly 60-minute sweat sessions on the Booty Army. Click the join button below to get access to all of our previous sweat sessions and all of our sweat sessions that we do in the future.